welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, in last video we have discussed about how we can find all multiple wallets private key at one place. Yes, if you need to find your private key in a second, so you must watch my last video. So today we are going to discuss about how we can recover or miss our multiple wallet from Binance Smart Chain wallets. Yes, if you have created multiple wallets and by mistake you have removed your wallet from your Google Chrome extension, and when you want to recover your account, so you can see there is not shown your other accounts. So how can you again shown or import your missing multiple wallets in your Binance Smart Chain? So this video is also going to very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you need to get same information in English language, then Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So viewers, now we are going to log in first of all our account, and in this video I will give you information how to recover or import your missing account in Binance Smart Chain. Simple, click on your wallet and then enter your password. You can see your wallet is open in front of me. Now going to enter my password. You know my wallet is password protected, so that I need to put here my password for accessing. So just simple click on unlock, and after that you can see here my wallet is open in front of me, and I'm going to click on my profile area, and now you can see here there is almost there is almost 4 to 5 account. I just simple click on again. You can see here this time I have selected main account, and you can see here there is almost 4 to 5 account which is I have created in my last video. This is a multiple accounts, and let's suppose by mistake you remove Google Chrome extension from your browser, and when you import your wallet with your seed phrases, so these account not will be shown in your interface of account area. Okay, so how can you recover, or how can you show, or how can you import your all multiple wallets on this option? Again, simple is that first I'm going to copy the wallet address, because when we will import or recover a multi or missing account, so I will cross check this address is same or not. I'm going to click on first name is Rauf wallet, just copy, open the notepad file, paste here. Just a minute. First I need to copy the name of wallet, copy, open the name, and also we need to get the wallet address, because after recover or multi wallet we must cross check the wallet is correct or not. Just copy, open the notepad file, paste here. Means my Rauf wallet address is shown here. After recover our wallet, I will cross check this wallet address is correct or not, and I'm going to also copy second account, Kashif wallet, open the notepad file, paste. It's maybe shown some mistake here. I'm going to again copy the name, Kashif wallet, and paste here, and also we need to copy the address. back copy address and paste here. So you can see here I have copied my two wallet addresses, which is I have create, means Rauf wallet and Kashif wallet. Now I'm going to remove this extension from my Google Chrome extension, and after that I will reinstall, and then I will give you information how can you recover your missing account which is you have created in your main Binance Smart Chain wallet. So I'm also getting the seed phrases, also this is necessary. Click on next button and copy seed phrases, open the notepad file and paste here. Now going to remove this extension from my browser. Let's suppose by mistake you removed your extension from your browser, Binance Smart Chain wallet from your browser. So I'm going to again install in Binance.com. First you need to open your Binance.com website if you need to recover your missing account which is you have created in your Smart Chain wallet. Binance.com will be open in front of you. Just simple click on it. You can see here box area and then DEX, because I need to download the extension of Binance Smart Chain wallet. When you click on DEX, then the new page open in front of you where you can download the extension of wallet, Binance Smart Chain wallet. You see here download wallet, and now click on Google Chrome. You can also download according to your browser, and now you can see here there is shown the add to Opera. Click on checking and click on add to extension. Now the checking is complete and now extension is successfully installed in my system. There's two options: use existing wallet and create a wallet. So I need to use existing wallet and import seed phrases and just paste here your seed phrases. Also keep in your mind, please don't use these seed phrases your personal use, because this video is only for educational purpose. Okay, if you do this, it must be your fund will be lost. Enter your password here like me. Now click on I have, import. Now as you can see here our wallet is import successfully, but if I'm going to click on profile area, so there is not shown any wallet, other wallet, which is when I start my video, so there is shown almost 6 to 7 wallets. So how can I import or recover my missing wallet? Simple is that, so simple. So just simple click on add account and just now type name here like Rauf wallet. Just simple copy and paste here and confirm. Now you can see here Rauf wallet is shown in front of me. Also going to add one more wallet which is I have in my notepad file. Just simple copy, paste here and confirm. So now you can see here we have recover our missing wallet from my Binance Smart Chain. Well, this is so simple and easy. I'm going to cross check that wallet is correct or not. First click on Rauf wallet and cross check the wallet address. This is correct, which is I have saved in my notepad file or not. Rauf wallet, just simple paste here. You can see here this wallet and this wallet address is same, means I have recovered my missing wallet from my Binance Smart Chain. I'm also going to cross check Kashif wallet. Simple
copy. I'm going to cross check address is same or not. Yes. Sorry, I think not copy properly, so that going to again click on box. Now copy. Yes, you can see here tick mark here means address is copy. Paste here, you can see here address is same, means we have successfully recovered our missing wallet in Binance Smart Chain. You can easily use this method at your side. And if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. Before stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.